Honor 9 Lite just received an OT update which offers some additional feature to the device. Now you get AR stickers mode on the camera and also the Paytm payment mode. Now you are able to enroll your fingerprint sensor with the payment through Paytm application. So this is not a big file, so let's just update the device and see what you get. So guys, after the update process done, now it's time to look at the feature we get with this new update. So guys, look at the camera UI, you get the same features previously you're getting with the camera UI, but now the AR stickers mode add on the Honor 9 Lite camera section. From the back camera now you are able to use the AR stickers as well as on the front camera. So these are the features missing previously on the Honor 9 Lite, but now with this update you are get all of these even on the front camera. Now looking at this feature, there you get some sticker and face swap options which looks a kind of 3D stickers like you find on the iPhone X, but these are not use the sensor. These are some software based face swap, or you can call it the emojis or whatever you call. So these are some AR stickers you get with the new update on the Honor 9 Lite. Even you can change the background using the AI implementation on the Honor devices, and these are the same feature you get with the Honor 9 or the Honor 7X and also the higher range device like the Honor View 10. So guys, these are the feature now able to use on the Honor 9 Lite, and these are small feature now added on the Honor 9 Lite with this new OT update. There is no issue with this update. You can click some awesome picture using these effects, and if you don't have a shaky hand, then you are able to capture some really cool images like me. I'm not a professional video maker, so guys, I use my iPad 5 megapixel camera to shoot all of these videos, and if you really like these videos then definitely give us a like below. So guys, these are the camera AR stickers which you get, and I basically like the face swap option and also the background editing option on the Honor 9 Lite. So these are the camera feature you get with the Honor 9 Lite OT update. Now also with this update guys, you can now enroll your fingerprint sensor through Paytm payment option. Now you can use the Paytm quick pay option, and these are the options you find in the fingerprint sensor security update in the Honor 9 Lite, and as well as you can also enable and disable it manually, so there is no issue with the fingerprint adding on the Paytm quick pay option. Now even after the update, if you look at the applications, now there are 3 applications added, and I think these are the bloatwares with this new update: the app gallery, Honor Club, and also the Netflix. So guys, I don't know why Honor is pushing out these things. So with this update you get the Netflix, so if you don't like this you can also uninstall this thing. So guys, basically Honor 9 Lite is a really good device under 10,999 pricing, and also the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 unboxing coming soon, so stay tuned for that. So guys, if you are Honor 9 Lite user, then you know that there are a couple of scratch and dent you can find on the back side if you don't use case. So I also suggested this case in my last video, so also go to the I button and watch that video. And if you want a really good premium tempered glass as well as a cover for your device, then definitely check this out. I'm dropping all the links in the description below. So these are the premium glass and case which are not premium in budget. These are cheap in price and also valuable for the money. So I'm dropping all the links in the description box. If you want one of these, then go and get one. So guys, that's it for this video. If you ended up liking this one, then don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more awesome content, and also you can follow me on the Facebook. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.